Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users encounter when trying to save battery life on their devices. The problem we'll be tackling today involves apps draining your battery in the background, even when you're not actively using them. It can be frustrating to see your battery percentage drop rapidly. So let's explore this issue further and find a solution. In order to combat this pesky battery draining problem, the solution lies in adjusting the settings on your device. By going into your device's settings, you can navigate to the battery section and identify which apps are consuming the most power. From there, you can choose to restrict background activity for specific apps, preventing them from using battery life unnecessarily. By implementing this solution, you'll be able to optimize your battery usage and prolong the time between charges. Additionally, another effective solution to address this battery drainage problem is to enable battery saver mode on your device. This feature reduces background activity, limits performance, and restricts notifications to conserve battery power. By activating battery saver mode, you can extend the battery life of your device, especially during those critical moments when you need it most. It's a simple yet powerful solution to ensure your device lasts longer throughout the day. In summary, by adjusting app settings and enabling battery saver mode, you can effectively mitigate the battery drainage issue caused by background app activity. We hope you found this information helpful in optimizing your device's battery performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite battery saving tips. Remember, a charged device is a happy device. Thanks for watching.